Hey guys, back with another one. So, this one truck I got here, it's that T370 that I'm doing all the work to. It's got a few codes. I don't wonder what the hell's going on, so looked for a cheap code reader for this thing and came up with this ANCEL trucker. It's an HD110. So I don't know. There wasn't too many reviews. Some reviews said it was awesome. Some reviews said it didn't work. Wasn't too expensive, so I thought I'd give her a try. After I already bought it, I realized that there was a couple reviews on this ANCEL products on YouTube, and for the most part, they're junk. So we'll see. If it works, great. If not, it's going back. So not a huge deal. So let's try her out here. So this is the first time I'm opening it here. So little desiccant pack. Little user guide. Probably have to open that up and have a look, but then you get the deal. So it's got the 9-pin on the one end and your 16 on the other. Just the regular. I can't think of the word. Your data link, whatever. So yeah. That's it. We're gonna fire up this app and see if this thing actually works. I got high hopes. I'm probably gonna be sadly disappointed, but we'll see what happens here. So, alright. So, I just fired up the app. Hopefully you guys can see something here. So yes, allow, blah blah blah, enter my email. Okay, well I'll do that. Alright, we're gonna hook this sucker up. Alright. Turn the key on. And then it's gonna beep at us and annoy the shit out of us. So we'll click on that sucker. Connection succeeded. Okay. So diesel OBD, diesel 6 and 9 pin, vehicle information. Well, let's see if this thing works. And it's processing. And still processing. Oh, look at that. It actually hooked up to it. It's got a bunch of stuff in here, but alright. Well, that's a bunch of info. Let's do a fast scan. I'm really hoping you guys can see something here. It just looks very glary on my little GoPro screen, so. Okay. Clicked on engine. Read fault codes. Hey, after treatment diesel particulate filter differential pressure sensor. Data erratic, intermittent, or incorrect. Okay. Let's try and erase it. Okay. The only reason I'm erasing it is I'm pretty sure this truck is actually deleted, but they stole the ECU out of that other truck, which isn't deleted. So it's looking for a bunch of stuff it doesn't have anymore. That's my guess. I don't know if that's right or not, but so yeah. See if we can find any other codes in this thing. I'm so far I'm impressed it actually hooked up to this thing and everything, because I didn't have high hopes for it. So a bunch of ABS codes, and that's because I don't have my wheel speed sensors hooked up in the back right now. Yeah, there's a bunch. Wheel speed sensors, and yeah, the pump not responding. Those could be old, inactive 254 times, so I'm not going to worry about them right now. I'll wait till we get everything hooked up again and then try it. But retarder, exhaust, let's try that. I know the exhaust brake doesn't work and the cruise control doesn't work, so I'm wondering if it has something to do with that after treatment code. But I'm sorry about the beeping, this is terrible. But alright, there's none there, so well, I'm going to shut the key off and fire it up and see if the code actually went away. I kind of doubt it, but yeah, that's what we're going to do. The beeper went out, but we still got to check engine light. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what the hell the deal is there, but anyways, this thing works. Yeah, I'm kind of impressed, honestly. I was not expecting anything, really. Especially after I read all the reviews after I had already purchased this thing. I kind of shit the bed there, but yeah, we'll see. But I think it only cost me $220, so that's Canadian, of course, so it'd be a little cheaper in the States. But it says it will do construction equipment also, so I'll be trying that out. Oh, I don't have the key on, so but yeah, I'll be trying that out a little later and see. I'm gonna unhook that freaking beeper too. Driving me nuts. Okay, it worked. So same code. Yeah, what I'm gonna do is go to vehicle information, just because I suspect that this isn't the right ECU for this, so I'm gonna see if it'll tell us the truck serial number and see if it matches up. That might tell us something, and again, it might not. So that's, like I say, I just suspect that. I don't know if that's true or not. These trucks are only one serial number apart, but the other truck is not deleted, and I'm pretty sure this one is. Oh, it doesn't tell you the VIN. Well, how handy is that? Why doesn't it tell you the VIN? That sucks. It tells you the engine model. Yeah, I don't know. All your silt load and stuff are all NA, so I don't know, but I was really hoping it would tell me the serial number. I don't know why it doesn't. But anyways, that's our short little video today. Yeah, so the ANCEL Trucker HD110 seems to work. I don't know. It's supposed to be able to do command regens and stuff. So if I end up doing that, I'll maybe do another video on it. I'm gonna shut that damn beeper off. I'll maybe do another video on it if I do end up doing that, to see if that works. But if you want it to read codes, it works on our 2010 T370. So I don't know. It's yeah, nice and cheap, and that's all I wanted. So I'm kind of impressed that it works, because like I said, I had high hopes, but I didn't think it was gonna work. So right on. Talk to you later.